The 2021 Porsche Panamera Turbo S combines the performance of a sports car with the comfort of an exclusive saloon. With a 630 horsepower, 463 kilowatts, Panamera Turbo S, the sports car manufacturer successfully supports its claim to best-in-class performance. With a power output of 463 kilowatts, 630 PS, and a torque of 820 Newton-meters, the new Porsche Panamera Turbo S offers 59 kilowatts, 80 PS, more power and 50 Nm more torque than the previous flagship turbo with combustion engine. This has a very positive effect on driving performance. In Sport Plus mode, the Turbo S model accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.1 seconds. Developed in Weissach and built in Zuffenhausen, the familiar 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine has been comprehensively overhauled to enable the car to achieve a top speed of 315 km per hour. In order to transfer the enormous power to the road in a controlled manner and maximize cornering performance, the 3-chamber air suspension, the Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, and the Roll Stabilization SYSTM Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control Sport, PDCC Sport, including Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus, PTV Plus, have been customized to each specific model and optimized accordingly.